a little bit more patience.
We gotta. It's the golem's fault for not dropping. Oh.
Yeah, here's another Brintel we see. Double lava pool
Okay.
at spawn. Should we play it the same way where I just get the village and come back and you just get flint and wood?
I've got jungle, savannah.
Yeah. Actually, all wood soon.
Bush.
Co-op all woods right now. What you said about 119 having a new all woods category, we should run that next time when we do the thing.
Yeah. Could literally just get all record.
Yeah.
And no runs. Well, there probably are actually. Haven't been verified.
Probably, but not many. It's not optimized.
Okay, I'm just getting wood and flint.
Yeah. I will get us food.
Surely we can finish this run before F1 starts.
Yeah, definitely. Okay, 4-drop. I should have crafted the bread, but I didn't. It's fine.
Yeah. Oh, you have a boat. Yeah. You just have a ton of wood.
Good.
4-drop? Okay, so we don't have to wood light. Let's go.
Yeah, I'm at the lava pool now.
Okay, on our way. Oh my god, dude. I should just have swum across this river. Not worth the boat struggle. It's such a time waste.
Pretty good enter.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
It's up to 30.
Here's your bread.
Yeah,
and if I could take some of the wood.
Yeah.
I got a spawner. Lowering RD now. 13 chunks.
Bastion is southwest.
This is right now. Southwest.
You're gonna give me. Wait, we don't. Oh, it's.
Yeah, you gotta pull it. My thing is west. 13 chunks west. Oh, watch out.
Oh god. Nice.
Oh, I see this bastion. I'll go to it.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
You're gonna. Wait, you're gonna go to it?
I mean, I'll go check this chest. It's bridge.
And there's.
Yeah. It's literally terrain to the challenge. Like, yeah, let me check this.
Pretty sure I can't do fortress without shield.
Okay. Let me just check this chest because it's literally right here. Oh, I pulled it. Okay, I'll drop it for you at the chalice.
Okay, cool.
Oh my god, this is so nice. If there's got to be a. I'll kept one for a shield. Wait. Can I have wood for a shield?
Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, good luck.
Purple record.
Surely this thing is right here. It's at 13 chunks. Like we should definitely see it, right? Maybe I should have gone the other way of the other side of the bastion. I'm gonna E-ray again. I'm in Pyre again. Fine. Okay, it's north from your chalice. I see it, I see it. Oh my god, it's a sea.
Oh my god.
It's actually like terrain accessible.
This bridge was double bad, right?
The one side was bad, I
Okay.
did not see the other side.
Yeah, okay, it's double bad. Fine. There's lots of pigs. Oh, there's a zombie dude.
I see the spawner. To find out how I'm getting to it.
Okay, it's fine. Dipper, he's gonna pop up.
I can, yeah, I should be able to come back to you. So many withers. Oh, I'll go to this one. It's so much safer.
I might come to you.
Yeah, maybe. Depending on how it goes. My spawner is at -275, -200.
That's really close. Do you want me to pull over to you and give you fire res real quick?
No, it's okay. I'm in a safe spawner, so it should.
Okay.
I even have a gold pick to mine it on. I have a bed, but I'm just gonna mine it out.
Okay, we might be in a bit of a situation for obby. Was there any obby in the chest you checked?
No.
Okay. There's none in there.
Hopefully, yeah. See, maybe I am coming to you then. Raiding the whole town.
Yeah, probably. Probably.
I'm getting the race. That's good.
You go and get the rest of the chalice then. Dude, this is literally the nicest terrain for a bridge ever.
Like the terrain just leads right onto the chalice.
Oh, we're good. We can go. Should I meet you?
I'm about to get 6 rods. Yeah.
Oh wait, we can't go. We're good for RB then.
Okay, cool. I have 6. You should leave on 7, so we don't have an incident. Well, I mean, I left on 7 last time. We still had that incident.
Should I craft beds and stuff, Salon?
Yeah.
I literally have enough for 0 cycle.
Okay, I am leaving the spawner. We can just meet in the middle if you get the pearls, and if not, we...
I haven't got pearls yet. Did...
It's okay, I know...
Okay,
okay,
I got the pearls, I got the pearls.
Let's meet at like 200... Well, like, you're at better blind cords.
Am I?
Yeah, at like -200, -50 would be good blind cords.
-200, -50.
Like in this, I'm at this like top level of this crimson. I don't know if you can see my name.
No, I cannot. Wait, -200, -50?
Yeah,
okay,
that's where I'm going. Like where the crimson and warped meet up.
Okay. I'm hungry now. I have.
I mean, it's like right behind your bastion, basically.
Yeah. I'm on my way.
You see me?
Yeah, I see you.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, let's just go here. Go like where this, yeah, let's go like right here.
Oh, cool.
All good. Top 10 blind.
Top 10 blind, dude. Let's go.
You know, toss those pearls.
Pulse.
Yeah, toss the pearls and toss the beds when you get the chance.
I haven't finished crafting the beds
Okay,
yet.
it's fine.
I have so many fire res though. It's actually crazy. My inventory is just pink.
Ooh, look at those offsets. 500, 600.
Yeah, I'm tossing beds and tossing beds.
Cool. I'm gonna just get in the second rage.
It's literally so many. I think we're good for the 1 cycle.
I should not have thrown that. Oh, why did it have to scam me like that? It said 500 on the first throw, and now it's 2,000.
No shot.
Yeah.
Okay, well, we will travel.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah,
You
I got 3 anchors for you as well.
You have a
You
lot
want-
of extra pearls or no? Oh my god, I have so many.
I do have quite a few pearls. You can use those. I've got 16 more.
Okay. Well, I made them all in size.
Oh, wait, how many did I give you?
10.
Oh, only 10. Okay. Oh, we're going into a jungle, dude.
Yeah. It's gonna be fun.
Okay, we can just run there and then pull through the jungle, I guess.
It's taking me to negative 1900, 1500. So we want to, yeah, we want to just keep going in the Z.
Okay.
I can't believe it trolled so hard like that. I was so excited for a sec. I thought it was going to be like 90% 500 blocks.
Dude,
And we were going to get the sub 15.
it's still probably PBs, right?
Probably.
Sure.
Yeah, if we split these pearls up and don't overuse them, I have enough to make 13 eyes. So like we should save 3 pearls, and then
Wait,
we can use the rest for trade.
Oh, enough rods? Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, we should save 3 or 4, and then use the rest for trouble. Where you at?
I'm kind of behind you. I
Okay.
stopped to
Gotcha.
put my plate away.
I think I see your name tag, yeah. Oh, it's not much
Yeah, I
jungle
see.
on our line.
Yeah, that's good. It's not bad jungle either. Like, it's not too dense, you know? Village. We don't need that for anything.
No, I've got like 11 beds in my inventory.
And wait, did I give you the anchors?
Yeah, and 2 anchors.
Nice. I think I'm gonna stay out of the end rather.
Okay. I guess if that's the strat. Okay, we basically have to go 1500 blocks. Okay, we got ocean. That's good. That's
Ocean.
Good, that's good.
Ocean explode. Pause
It's
it.
only 30%. Should I throw another before we go on this ocean?
Yeah. Throw another.
Okay, let me
hit.
lower my FOV first so I don't have to throw 2 eyes. My muscle memory made me go into the menu again. Okay. 1,000 blocks, yeah. 1396 is where we're going. 1900, 1396.
Is it 100%?
It's 88%.
Okay, surely we hit.
Yeah.
Do you have a bucket?
I don't.
Water bucket?
Don't.
Okay, I can make one.
It's
can also
either that
make,
chunk or
do you
the
have
one
any-
after it. That's...
Do you have any more wood left?
I
Make
do.
a bow. Okay, but not yet. Okay.
I can.
Just
I also
keep
have
going.
string for a bow, so I can make the bow.
It's fine, just keep going.
Oh
Let's
shit! I did
go
have the
through
bucket.
all
I'm
of
an
it.
idiot. I got the water bucket.
No, it's fine. I got one now as well.
I lost my.
We shouldn't be stopping.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. You want to throw a few pearls now? No, we're close.
Yeah. Wait, am I going the right way?
It's
Right direction.
yeah. I was gonna have you toss me some, but it's fine.
Oh, shit, sorry. Yeah.
Oh my god, that
I'll
looks
just
like too
follow.
many.
I'll follow.
Okay, watch out. Okay. Burn portal.
Oh, nice.
Okay, it's in this ocean. I need to make a boat.
I've got a boat.
Okay. Oh god, that was scary. Okay, we'll just drive our own boats this time.
Oh, you made one.
surely it's exposed in this.
Shallow ocean. Ugh.
We're getting close though. It's only another 200 blocks.
Surely we can sub 20.
Really.
Good patch. Have you got enough pearls to make the rest of the ice?
I do, yeah.
Okay. Do you have spares for?
Depending on how many eyes.
Okay.
I'll have one spare at the very least. But yeah.
I'll give you some when we get to the dig down.
It's good. It's gonna be right on this line. I'm gonna have to check the chunk though, or not. We can just go. It's either that or the next chunk over, according to this. So should be fine.
Right.
Oh, I have a wood pick. Well.
Oh, this guy.
You want to dig? Okay. I got the things. We're chilling.
Please hit.
It doesn't hit. We just go one more over. Podsy.
Hit.
I'll check top left. It's dead.
I'll go mid.
It's dead.
I went middle right. Okay, no. Middle.
Oh, it's right. The 0 eye.
Right?
Yeah, I'm going.
Okay, you've got everything, yeah. Just
Yeah.
go.
Oh my god, it's a really weird pearl to the end island. I had to throw it really far. Oh, I have to, okay. It's a good thing you gave me the anchors, because I have to use them as the obby.
Oh shit, okay, yeah.
I'm just not going to use the other one, it's fine, I have so many bets. And I have this.
Oh, I never made the freaking... Supposed to give you a bow.
No, I made it when you stopped crafting.
You didn't have arrows.
I have arrows, I got it from that first chest.
Oh.
Yeah, I have like
nice.
10 arrows.
Clutch. What the hell?
That's why I would have waited for that, but...
And half bow.
Yeah, I've got like a handful of towers out. Two arrows left. Please sub 20. Go dragon, go.
Oh god. I forgot the silverfish spawner still here. I'll break that. I was busy like watching the stream.
You going? I think that's going. What a diagonal.
Oh my god, you have enough beds.
Oh shit. What? Bro.
Let's go. Time to stop swinging, right?
I fucked it up. I lost this like 10 seconds. 18.
No, it's fine. We still sub 20, dude.
Oh my gosh.
Let's go. 18.